Afternoon, and naka-check in na nga tayo sa ating flight going to Tashkent, Uzbekistan. So it only takes us around less than 15 minutes sa pila, and then ito, so susunod na natin sa immigration, pero bawal naman kasi mag-video sa immigration. So next natin is yung paglabas na natin sa immigration. So cleared na, pero don't forget, you need to apply Uzbekistan visa bago kayo pumunta, and of course kailangan nyo rin mag-online check-in pag dito kayo sa Wizz Air. Tara na, immigration na tayo. Guys, at papunta na tayo sa airplane. So akala ko noon bababa pa tayo sa labas, pero hindi na pala. Diretso na tayo sa airplane. At medyo ito mga pilot, kaway-kaway naman dyan and everything. Pakistan. Spectrum ng 27 pero nasa 22 ngayon. So kaya pa. Ang bilis lang ng pila sa immigration. Parang less than 3 minutes yata kami, 2 minutes. So bukas explore natin to kasi medyo gabi na. Samahan nyo kami bukas. Right? Bye!
How many hours from here?
1 hour and a half to the Amirsoy ski resort. Because of guests coming Uzbekistan, tourists.
Yeah, from UAE.
Yeah, from UAE, it's coming good.
Yes.
Yeah, now you are also coming. You are also coming now, so maybe I have more friends after next year.
Yeah, we will recommend. Have you been in the UAE?
Not yet, but when I have time.
But not summer, huh? Go there winter.
In this next winter.
Yeah.
Next winter.
Summer there is really hot.
Yeah, correct. What was our hotel? Art Hotel, huh? The
Art Inn.
Art Inn, huh?
Yeah.
So this is the starting of the city here. Going the city.
Tapos hindi mabanda to uso.
Ito mo, napakaganda ng mga display.
It's nice.
It's nice,
It's
huh?
amazing.
We will do first check-in to the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Sa hotel ba, libre pagkain natin?
Hindi.
Ano lang, almusal lang sa na?
Itanong ko, may almusal nyo sa amin.
No, brother, we watch in YouTube. There's a nice place like with the
Yes,
nice
now
food.
started everywhere. Fountain.
Near to Magic City, right?
Yeah, Magic City. Tashkent.
Sport. Unang gagawin, titikim tayo ng plov. Yung parang pinaka-dish nila dito sa Uzbekistan. Tara na. Tine-order namin na plov. Hindi pala uso dito kanya-kanya pinto.
Do you have chilies? Papa.
Thank you, bro. Yes, but right now, the Ogrucheva hasn't it?
You have plain rice,
Authentic
rice,
love.
chicken, and plain chicken.
Master is at the Surachi, maybe not right now. Chicken kebab, very nice.
Yeah,
Chicken, but
one chicken
talk
kebab
talk
and plain rice.
Ah, okay.
Plain
I
rice.
can have to stop.
Because she don't eat this.
Good morning guys. So, ano ngayon, ito yung first na day na lakad namin. May libreng snack or breakfast dito sa place kung saan kami nagstay. Actually, hindi siya hotel. Pero, mayroon pa rin siyang libreng snack and yung normal snack lang. We are preparing of course later on as we go out. Kasi pupunta kami sa medyo bundok. At sana kayanin ng sweater natin yung lamig kasi sabi nila may snow pa. So we'll try to get the chance of walking into the snow. At mamaya,